Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if TransUnion can show your full payment history on loans and credit cards. The short answer is yes. TransUnion, like other credit bureaus, collects and maintains a detailed record of your credit history. This includes your payment history for loans and credit cards. TransUnion credit reports contain several categories of information, and your payment history is a major component. It shows whether you have made your payments on time or if there have been any late payments. This is a critical factor that lenders use to assess your creditworthiness. Lenders and creditors, such as banks and credit card issuers, regularly report information about your accounts to the credit bureaus. This typically happens once a month. The report includes details like the type of account, the date it was opened, your credit limit or loan amount, the current balance, and, most importantly, your payment history. It's important to remember that not all lenders report to all three credit bureaus. So, your TransUnion report might be slightly different from your reports from Equifax and Experian. However, for any accounts that a lender reports to TransUnion, your payment history will be included. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.